What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, Nadek was successful to his show at Conken. Nadek Gimia got a wonderful night performing on the stage to all of his fans. As the show goes by, Nadek is living in Konkan to go in Thailand's airport to pick up his girlfriend Urasaya. One of his fans posted on Instagram that they saw Nadek at the airport waiting since early in the morning. Nadek was so happy waiting, knowing that they will become together again after their long vacation in Japan. Today on recess activity, Mommy Mapla updated to everyone that they're having lunch. Mommy Mapla captioned it at three emojis hearts. Maybe it's their last lunch in Japan before they leaving. As you can see, all of their food looks so delicious and healthy. Processed Beerban today is now back to work.